Yes, sir. I'm there.
Amit, can you give me permission to share my screen? Okay. Okay. So then, so in last class, like we started this UTL file package. Okay. Then, so using this package, what we can do, we can create new files, write the data, read the data from files. So these are the members of the package: file type, open, putline, getline, fclose. File type is a data type. Fopen is used to open the file. Putline is write the data into file. Getline to read the data from file. Fclose is for to close the file. Okay, so before we start working with these files, first we need to create directory objects. Okay, then. So where you want to create the files? I want to create the files in one folder, that is C drive. In my system, there is a C drive. In that, there is a folder called PLSQL folder. Okay, there is a folder called PLSQL. In this folder, I want to create the files. Okay, then. So, but what we need to create? We need to create a directory object for. We need to create a directory object. Okay, so we need to create the directory object for this operating system folder. So the C:\PLSQL is the folder in my system. So I need to create a directory object for this folder. So we can create this admin. Who is the admin is system. System. Next,
Okay.
I think system, the password is manager, I think. Okay.
Yeah.
1 second. DVA. Okay. So I created a folder. Okay, na? I created this folder. Then. So I created a folder. I created a directory object. I think it's already created. Name is already used by an existing object.
Okay.
Okay, then it's already created. In the last class, we created this. And but who wants to work with the files? The user is Vijay. So it's created by admin. But who wants to work with the files? User is Vijay. So then you need to grant permissions on directory object to Vijay. So two permissions. One is read and write. Read permission and write permission. Okay, then.
Okay.
So grant this permissions on directory object to Vijay. Then after granting, now Vijay can use this directory object. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's connect to Vijay. Suppose I am connecting to Vijay. Then now the username is Vijay. Okay, then.
Yeah.
Now let's see. So first we'll see creating new file. Creating new file and copying data. Creating new file, writing data. Okay, now creating new file, writing the data into the file.
Yeah.
So then, so suppose I'm taking like that. So declare. I'm writing one anonymous block. F1. So then F1 should be declared with F1 is a variable. So declare this
Yeah.
variable with file type. Declare this
Okay.
variable with file type. Okay. Then.
Yeah.
But file type is a member of UTL file package. This is the member of UTL file package. How to access the members? Package name dot file name.
Okay.
So you will access like this: UTL file dot file underscore type. Okay.
Okay.
Then.
Yeah.
So F1 is a variable of file type. Means
Okay.
what can be assigned to F1 is file can be assigned to F1.
File. Okay.
A file can be assigned to F1. If variable is a number, you assign number. If variable is a varchar, you assign the string.
Mhm.
The variable is file type. What we can assign to F1 is a file can be assigned. Okay.
Okay.
Then how to assign? F1 equals to open the file. Open the file. UTL file dot fopen. So fopen.
Okay.
Okay. Then.
Yeah.
So then this is used to open the file. Okay. Then
Yeah.
where you want to create the file. I want to create the file in D10. D10. I want to create the file in D10.
Okay.
What is the name of the file? abc.txt. So fopen takes 3 arguments. First argument
Yeah.
is directory object. Second argument is file name. Next one,
Yeah.
mode. Mode is W.
Okay.
Okay, there are 3 modes here. One is W, another one R, another one A. So
Yeah.
W means write mode, R means read mode, A means append mode.
Yeah.
Write mode, read mode, append mode. So there are 3 modes.
Okay.
So you want to create a new file, write mode.
Okay.
You want to create a new file, write the data, write mode. You want to read the data from existing file, read mode.
Mhm.
You want to add some new data to the existing file, append mode.
Yeah.
Okay, so there are 3 modes available. Next,
Okay.
I want to write the data into this file. To write the data into this file, UTL file dot put line
Okay.
F1. F1 what? Hello.
Mm.
F1 hello. Okay. Then, so writing the data into this file, hello.
Mm-hmm.
So writing the data, hello. Into which file? F1. Okay. Then,
Mm-hmm.
see, understood. A file is opened
Yeah.
in write mode. And that where
Yeah.
this file is created, this file is created in D10. D10 means C:\PLSQL.
Okay.
So this file is created in C drive PLSQL folder. After creating
Okay.
that file, and that file reference is assigned to F1.
Okay.
So F1 is pointing to abc.txt file, which is opened in C:\PLSQL.
It's okay.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
Next. So now write the data into this file. Hello, I want to write this data hello. Into which file? F1. So writing into F1 means writing into this file, abc.txt.
Okay.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
So anything you write into F1, it is written to abc.txt. Okay,
Okay.
next.
Yeah.
Then UTL file dot put line F1, comma, welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome. Okay, so suppose just I'm writing some 1 or 2 lines. Dot put
Okay.
line. Next one, F1. Suppose something like UTL file package, something. Okay, then
Yeah.
next close the file. After writing the data, close the file. UTL file dot F close of F1. Closing the file. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, then So what this is? This is like program to create a new file, write the data.
Yeah.
Okay, understood?
Yes, yes.
Then now execute this script. Okay, then sorry, here it's in file, UTL file.
Okay.
Then now see this. So PLSQL procedure successfully completed. That means file is created. File is created.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where the file is created? The file is created in D10.
D10. Yeah.
D10 means what is D10?
PLS.
So D10 is C:\PLSQL. Okay.
Yeah.
So open that folder. So go to this here C drive PLSQL. Okay. So in C drive PLSQL folder, one file is created ABC. Open this file. So this file.
So one call I'm getting, just 2 minutes. I'll take that call.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, sir. Yeah, you can continue.
Okay. Then. So the file is created. Okay. Then. So into that file, you see this file. That hello, welcome UTL file.
Yes.
Okay. Then.
Yeah.
So this is the program for creating the new file, writing the data. Then. So next, I want to read the data. Then.
Okay.
Okay. So like reading data from existing file.
Yeah.
So the previous one is creating the new file, writing the data. Next, I want to read the data.
Okay.
Okay, that. So
Yes.
take a variable F1, same thing, UTL file underscore type.
Okay.
So take a string variable varchar to suppose 100 or something 500. Next begin.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to work with, first you have to open the file. Open the file.
Okay.
F1 equals to UTL file.fopen. What are the directories? D10.
Okay.
Where the file is there in C drive PLSQL folder. What is the file name? File name is abc.txt. What is the mode? R. Now open the file in read mode.
Okay.
So earlier we opened the file in write mode because you want to create the file, you want to write the data. For writing the data, write mode. To read the data from file, read mode.
Yes.
Okay. Then now next read the data, read the lines from file. How many lines are there? How many lines are there? We don't know.
Correct.
So we don't know how many lines are there. Then take a loop. I'm taking a loop. So read one by one line from file. How to read the line? UTL file dot. How to read get line? Put line is for writing the data. Get line is for reading the data. Okay. Then UTL file dot get line. Get line from which file you want to read? F1. Okay. From which file you want to read the data? F1. So first time get line will read first line. What the first line is? Hello.
Yeah.
So this procedure reads line by line. First time reads first line. So what the first line is? Hello. And copy that line to S. Reads line and the line is copied to S. What is S? S is a string variable.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Then. So understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Na? So this reads a line from file. That line is copied to S. Okay. Next one.
Okay.
I want to print S. So dbms underscore output dot put underscore line S. I want to print S. Next end loop.
Yes.
Then. So first time get line reads first line. First line is copied to S. And print S. Hello is printed. Read second line. Second line is read second line. Second line is copied to S. What is the second line? Welcome. Prints welcome. Reads third line. The third line is copied to S. Print S. What is the third line is? UTL file and prints that. So reads one by one line and prints that. But this goes up to how many times? Okay. So this goes up to how many times? See, if line is there, reads line. First time reads first line. Okay, successful. Read second line, successful. Reads third line, successful. Reads fourth line, but fourth line is not there. When line is not there, this get line throws no data found exception.
Yeah.
If line is there, reads line, copy that line to S. If the line is not there, this get line throws no data found exception. Then what? Exception. Exception when no data found. When no data found, then. So once when it comes to this no data found, so once reading is completed, so reads one by one line, first line, second line, third line. But when it reads fourth line is not there, then throws no data found exception. That means, so when no data found exception is raised, it means reading is completed. Once reading is completed, close the file. Then UTL file dot F close. F close of what? F1. That's all. Close file. That's all. End. So what this program is? This program is for reading the data. And this program is for writing the data into file. And this program is reading the data from file. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Then.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm there, sir. Can you hear me?
Okay. So the PLSQL successfully completed, but it's not printing because set server output on. Yeah.
Okay.
Now see this. Hello, welcome UTL file. So from where this is coming from file. Okay. Then.
Yeah.
So this program is for reading the data from file and reading one by one line. The line is copied to S, print S. Read the first line,
Yes, sir.
print. Read the second line, print. Read the third line, print. Read fourth line, but fourth line is not there. So throws exception, no data found exception. Then close. Understood? Then.
Yes.
Okay. But
Yeah.
so what we are doing is here we are just but writing hello, welcome, UTL file, like some text. But not this. I want to copy employees table data.
Okay.
Okay. I want to copy the table data. My table contains some data. I want to copy the data to the file. Okay.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah.
So this is the table. This is the table. I want to copy this table data to the file.
Okay.
You see this here. So data is not there. Okay. Let me create this. Once again. Frankly, demo tables. Okay. Then now, so this is the table. Number, name, salary from EMP. So this is the table. I want to copy this data to file. Okay.
Oh.
Then. So my table contains some data. I want to copy this data to the file. Okay. Then.
Yeah.
So program to copy data from table to file. Okay. Then next one. So declare then. If you want, you can also create a procedure. Then F1. I'm taking a variable F1, file variable, UTL file dot file underscore type. So what do you want to copy? You want to copy employees data, employee numbers, names, salaries, but not one employees. I want all the 14 employees. So whenever you want multiple, then you have to take cursor. Take cursor. Cursor C1 is select what? EMP NO, e-name salary from EMP.
Okay.
Okay, then. So I taken cursor. Cursor C1, select number, name, salary from EMP. So because I want all the 14 employees data, so whenever you want multiple employees data in program, either you have to take cursor or you have to take collection. So here I am taking cursor. Now, next. So begin. Now, so when cursor is there, then access one by one row from cursor. So what the cursor contains is 14 rows. Access one by one row from cursor. To access one by one row from cursor, we have three methods. One is simple loop, while loop, and for loop. Simple loop and while loop. You have to open, you have to fetch, you have to close the cursor. But if you take for loop cursor, no need to open, no need to fetch, no need to close. So what I'm doing, I'm taking for loop for R in C1. For R in C1 loop. Okay, so I'm taking the loop then. So first time this loop executes, the first row is fetched from cursor. The first row, this is the first row. The first row is fetched from cursor. The first row is copied to R. Okay. Then, so this cursor contains 14 rows. Then, first time this loop executes, first row is fetched, first row is assigned to R. So this row is assigned to R. How many values are assigned to R? 3 values. Because the row contains how many values? 3 values. The row is copied to R and the row contains 3 values. Okay, then. So then, how to access this one? R.mbn. How to access this one? R.ename. How to access this one? R.salary. Okay, then. So what I'm doing is taking a variable, string variable, s varchar to something 100. Now, whatever the data you want to copy to file, assign the data to s. Whatever the data you want to copy, assign the data. So I want to copy this data, employee number 7369, employee name Smith, salary 800. I want to copy this data to the file. But when you copy the data, the values should be, I want to separate these values by comma. Separate these values by comma. Okay, then. So when you copy this data to the file, copy the values, separate the values by comma. Then what is the first one? Employee number, r.mbn. Then after employee number, what do you want? Comma. So concatenate comma. Next one, name, r.ename. Next one, salary, r.salary. That's all. So employee number, name, salary, and the separated by comma. So that is assigned to S. Okay. Then. So number, name, salary is separated by comma, assigned to S. Now insert this S into file. Insert this S into file. How to insert this S into file? UTL file dot put line. UTL file dot put line. So you want to write the data into which file? F1. What data? S. Okay. So whatever the data is there in S, that is copied to the file F1. Okay, then. But before that, first of all, you have to open the file. How to open the file? F1 equals to UTL file dot fopen. So where you want to create the file? D10. What is the file name? emp.txt. What is the mode? Write mode. Because you want to write the data into the file. A file is opened in write mode. So reading the data from cursor, getting one by one row from cursor and inserting that row into the file. So what we are copying to the file? Employee number, name, salary separated by comma. Okay, then. So this loop goes up to how many times? Depends on number of rows in cursor. The cursor contains how many rows? 14 rows. So this loop is also executed 14 times. So every time this loop is executed, a row is assigned to S and that is copied to the file. First time, the 7369. Second time, second row. Second row is copied to S and the values are separated by comma and that is copied to the file F1. Third time, third row, like this. So this goes up to 14 times. Once writing is completed, close the file. How to close the file? UTL file dot fclose of F1. Next one, end. That's all. So let me run this, execute this. Then. So let me run this here. Plsql procedure successfully completed. Okay, program is successfully completed. Just go and see the file is created or not. So go to Plsql. Then you see this text emp.text file. So the text file is created. Open this. Now you can see. So all the employee numbers, name, salary separated by comma. Okay. Then. Suppose same program. Okay. Then I don't change the program. The program is same. But instead of txt, I'll take CSV. Okay. Instead of txt, you can take CSV also. So the data is copied to CSV file. You know now CSV means comma separated value. Okay, then. So let's see, suppose again running the program. Now the data is copied to CSV file. Now CSV file is created. Just go and check.
Okay.
Now go to this, see that. Okay, CSV file. This is CSV file. Microsoft Excel, comma, separated values. Okay.
Okay.
Then, so
Okay.
open this. Now this is opened in. This can be opened in Excel. CSV files can be opened in Excel.
Yeah.
Okay. Then. So that's all. Everything is same. So if I say .txt means text file is created. .csv means CSV file is created.
Okay.
Okay, na? Then.
Yeah.
So what is this is? This is copying the data from table to file. Okay. Table to file. So like employee table is there, copying the data from employee table to text file or employee table to CSV file. Okay. I want to do the reverse. What the reverse is? File to table.
Okay.
So this is table to file now. Then
Yeah.
file to table. Then
File to table.
program
Okay.
to copy data from file to table. Okay, next one.
Yeah.
So declare F1. F1 what? UTL file type. So take a variable S. S is what? Varchar. Varchar 2 of suppose then 100 some 500 like this. So first what? Create a table. I'm creating a table. Create table some EMP55. I'm creating the table with 3 fields. EMPNO number 4, comma ename varchar 2 10. Next, salary number 7. Okay, so I created a table. Now what I want to do is I want to copy the data from, okay, then copy the data from what? Data from emp.txt file or emp.csv file to table.
Yeah.
EMP55 table. Okay. Then.
Yeah.
Now, so first create the table. First create a table. So table is ready. Okay. So table is created, but it is saying table is already there. Just drop the table. Drop table EMP55. Now create the table. So table is created. After creating the table, now write the program. So what is your task is, so there is a file, copy the data from file to this table. Okay. Then, now open the file F1. F1 equals to UTL file dot fopen. So where is the file D10? What is the file name? emp.csv. What is the mode? Read mode.
Okay.
Because you are not creating. The file is already there. You want to read the data from file.
Okay.
Okay. Now take a loop. So I'm taking a loop. Read one by one line. So first time read the first line.
Okay.
Read the first line. How to read the line?
Yeah.
UTL file dot get line. Get line from F1. Okay.
Okay.
Get line. So get line is for reading. Reading from file. So reads first line. Okay, na? What is the first line? So what the first line contains? So then you see the first line. This is the first line. So what the first line contains? Number, name, salary.
Yeah.
What the first line contains? Number, name, salary. Okay. Then. So then reads first line and copy the first line to S. S is the string variable.
Yeah.
Okay. Then. So read the line and the line is copied to S. What is S contains? What is copied to S? Okay. Then,
Yeah.
so what is
But
copied to
on
S?
CSV, yeah, CSV
First
file.
time, the first line is
First
copied
file.
to S.
Yeah.
The first line, 7369, comma Smith, comma 800.
Yes.
So reads first line, the first line is copied to S.
Yeah.
Okay, then. So the first line is copied to S. Then, but from S, I want this employee number. From S, I want this employee number. So then what? Do one thing, take a variable for employee number. So this is number 4. Take a variable for name. Take a variable for name, varchar 2, 10. Take a variable for salary, number 7, 7 comma 2. Okay, or 7, whatever,
Yes.
keep it then. So reads first line is copied to S. This is S. From this S, I want employee number. So get the employee number,
Yeah.
assign the employee number to VN. So VNO equals to, how to get this part? How to get the
Okay.
part of this? This is the string. This entire thing is string. From this string, I want this part. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So for this, we use a function called regular expression function. Regular
Yeah.
expression substring. So this is
Yeah.
easy. Compared to normal substring, regular expression substring is easy. Then, so regular expression substring, from where you want to extract this part from S. From S. Okay.
Yeah.
I want to extract part of the string from S. This is S. Okay.
Yeah.
Then from S, I want to extract this part. What this is? Set of characters not equal to comma. What do you want to extract? I want to extract set of characters not equal to comma.
Okay.
Okay. Then how to specify that pattern? In regular expression, you specify the pattern. Okay. So then you want to extract this part. Then to get this part, you specify the pattern. So what that pattern is? Set of characters not equal to comma. How to specify that pattern? In single quotes. Okay. So set of characters, bracket, not equal to comma. Okay. Then,
Okay.
so not equal to comma. Then, so this is not equal to comma. Not
Okay.
equal to comma. Okay. Then,
Yeah.
so what is the meaning of this? Not equal to comma. Character not equal to comma.
Okay.
Character not equal to comma. But what do you want? You want set of characters. Then you have to say
Yes.
plus. You
Okay.
say plus. So without plus means it returns only one character. That means 7. If you say plus means
Okay.
it returns 7369.
Yeah.
So if you don't give plus means it returns only one character.
One
But if you
character.
give plus
Okay.
means set of characters not contains comma. Okay. Then.
Okay.
So how many occurrences are there matching to this pattern? Set of characters not equal to comma. How many are there matching to this pattern? 3. This one,
Yeah.
this one, this one,
Mm-hmm.
800. So there are 3,
Okay.
7369 and Smith and 800. So all these
Yeah.
set of characters not contains what? Comma. But from this, I
Comma.
want only first occurrence. I want first
Yeah.
occurrence. If you want first occurrence, then you have to say 1 comma 1.
Okay.
You say 1 comma 1. So what is the
Okay.
meaning? Starting from first character, first occurrence matching to this pattern.
Okay.
Starting from first character. So first occurrence matching to this pattern. What is the first occurrence matching to this pattern? 7369.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
Smith is second occurrence. 800 is third occurrence. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then, so here you specify the pattern. How many occurrences are there? 3 occurrences. But I want first occurrence. Then you say 1 comma 1. Okay. Next one.
Okay.
Next one. Suppose then I want name. I want name. How to get the name? Get the name, assign the name to this variable, VE name equal to same thing, but you have to say 1 comma 2.
Okay.
1 comma 2 means second occurrence, starting from first character, second occurrence matching to this pattern.
Okay.
So what is the second occurrence is name. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. So get the third occurrence, assign the third occurrence to V salary. 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. So this is first occurrence matching to this pattern. This is second occurrence matching to this pattern. This is third occurrence matching to this pattern. First occurrence is employee number. Second occurrence is name. Third occurrence is what? Salary. Now, next what? Insert. Okay. Now the values are there in the variable. You read the data from file. The data is copied to this variable. Now insert these values into this table.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what? Insert into what is the table name? EMP55. So in that first field is employee number. Here where is the employee number? VN. Where is the name? VE name. Where is the salary? V salary. Next what?
Okay.
End loop. Okay.
Okay.
Next one, end loop. Then, so once completed, then, so this loop runs how many times? So depends on number of rows in file. How many lines are there in the file? 14 lines. So this is continued 14 times. 15th
Yes.
time get line throws exception. When it throws exception, then exception when no data found.
Okay.
What exception is raised? No data found exception is raised. Then close the file. UTL file dot f close of F1. So the file is closed. That's the end.
Okay.
Okay. Then, so what is this program is reading the data from file and copying the data to the table.
Okay.
And now, so let me run this program. Yeah. So PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Just go and see the table. Select star from EMP55. Now see that. So the
Yeah.
data is
Good.
okay. That's that.
Yes. Got it.
So you need to, what are the two? One is uh, table to file. Okay.
Okay.
Another one file to table.
Table. Okay. Yeah.
So
Got
even
it.
if file contains 10 fields also, you follow this procedure. 1 comma 1 means first field value. 1 comma 2 means
Yeah.
second field. 1 comma 3 means
Yeah.
third field. You want the
Yeah.
fourth field. 1 comma 4. Fifth field. 1 comma 5. That's a simple
Okay.
way. Then. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all. This is what then. So working with the files, mainly two files, text file and CSV files.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So that's
So
it.
what is a DB link, sir? Hello? Hello? So can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yes,
what is a
yes.
DB link? DB link.
Your voice is very low.
DB
I'm
link.
not able to hear.
What is DB link? Can you hear me now?
No.
I'll write in this.
What is the DB link is? See, actually, once again. So database link then. So actually, uh, maybe server contains multiple databases. Okay. So the server contains what? Multiple databases. Then suppose, for example, this is one database, DB1.
Yeah.
So this is the database DB1. Let's say your database DB1.
Yeah.
Okay, na? Then. So
Yeah.
this is one database DB1. In this, there is a schema. Yes or no?
Yeah.
There is a user.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Then, so suppose here you you connected to this database. Okay, na? Suppose user, then, for example, like some user, you connected to this database. So the user is what? Something like Scott, etc. So this user is connected to this database. Okay.
Okay.
Then.
Yeah.
So in your system, one more database is there. One more database is there. So what the database is? DB2. Let's say DB2. So the
Okay.
database name is DB2. Okay,
Okay.
DB2.
Yeah.
So database name. In this database also, there is a user. Suppose one user is there, Vijay. Okay.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah.
So you want to but you belong to Scott belongs to DB1.
Yeah. Correct.
Scott belongs to the DB1. There is one more database. In the database, Vijay is there. Now, Scott wants to access the objects of Vijay, DB2 Vijay.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
na?
Got
Then,
it. Yeah.
so then what Scott has to create? Scott has to create what? Database link.
So this synonym, those things also we can create, right, sir?
No. Synonym is for within the database, not different database.
Okay.
Scott wants to, he wants to access not local database, he wants to access remote database. He wants to access the
Okay.
objects of remote database.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Scott is
Two
local to
different
the
data.
DB1. Scott is not local to DB2.
Correct. Okay.
Okay. So then create what? Database link for this DB2.
Okay.
Okay, na? Then,
Okay.
after creating, suppose you create a link, suppose let's say that link name is then, so that link name is, this is the link name, like DB2 link for DB link. Okay, na? So DB link 1 something. You created a database link. That database link name is DB link 1. What this DB link 1 represents? The DB link 1 represents DB2 database. In DB2 database, user Vijay. Understood?
Yeah.
Now, if whenever Scott wants to access the Vijay tables, he must access like this. So if Scott wants to access the objects of this, then he must access like this. Select start from emp @db link 1.
Okay.
Then.
Got it.
So when he access like this, then the request will not go to the local
So
database.
we have to create DB link name first.
You have to create a database link.
Okay.
How to create the database link means, so we can see the syntax. Okay, then.
Yeah.
So creating what? Database link. Create database link in Oracle. Then. So see that this is local database. This is what? Remote database. Okay. So if you want to connect to the remote database, then what is required? Link is required.
Yes.
Okay. Then.
Okay.
Then. After creating what? Then. After creating this, then you can create synonym.
Okay.
Okay. Na? For the table, you can create the synonym. So how to create the database link means, this is the syntax. Create database link name, connected to user. Which user? Remote user. What that user name is? Remote username is, suppose say Vijay. Identified by password using the
Oh,
database name.
okay, got it.
Like this is the syntax.
That's okay.
Okay, then.
Yes, sir. Got it. So connecting to other database is where we will get the
Yes,
DB link.
yes. So using that link, you can connect to this one, remote database.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So all the topic is over, right, sir?
yeah. So if
Okay.
anything is there, then okay, you can, what if you, while going through the like material or okay, notes, if you find anything, then if you don't understand, then you can request, like you can message me, then we can have a class.
Yeah, sure.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. I'll when I'll go through, then if I have any doubt, I'll take
Definitely. Okay. Okay then.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.